Hi, I am Ashok Vishanda, professor in IIPA New Delhi. Today we are going to discuss about history of India and Indian national movement of UPSC Civil Service Preliminary Examination. Let us look at this question. Relates to water harvesting and management in ancient towns. Let us look at Dholavira. Now Dholavira stands out among all the Indus Valley sites for its water management system. Underground structure have revealed an intricate system of interconnected water reservoirs, check dams, bunds for diverting the water of Manhar river to reservoir. Therefore, this option A is the right answer, and there is no such elaborate water harvesting structure insofar as B, C and D are concerned. This relates to the 17th century East India Company's factory and factories. Now let us look. During the first quarter of the 17th century, factories were set up by East India Company at Surat, Bhuj, Ahmedabad, Agra and Machilipatnam. So option given at 1 is the right answer. We have to eliminate this. Therefore, alternative given at A is the right answer. Next question relates to decline of Gupta, rise of Harshvardhan, 7th century and kingdom that were holding power in northern India. After the decline of Gupta, the later Gupta succeeded as the rulers of Magad during early 7th century. They ruled part of northern India including Magad, current day Bihar. So option 1 is correct. The Parmaras dynasty ruled the western and central part of India including Malwa between 9th and 14th century AD before being captured by Delhi Sultanate rulers. So option 2 is incorrect. The Pushyabhuti of Thanesar, the current day Haryana, ruled various parts of northern India during 6th and 7th century AD. So option 3 is correct. The Mokhari dynasty ruled over parts of Uttar Pradesh and Magad including Kannauj. The dynasty ruled all around 606 AD when it was reconquered by later Gupta. So option 4 is correct. The Yadavs of Devgiri ruled around 1187 to 1317 in western part of India. So statement 5 is not correct. The Maitrikas of Vallabhi ruled western and northern part of current day Gujarat during late 5th century to late 8th century AD. So statement 6 is correct. Therefore, option given at B is the right answer. Next question relates to this Portuguese writer and the expertise of women in the Vijayanagar Empire. Fernão Nunes, Portuguese traveler, visited the empire during the reign of Achyutadev Raya. He visited Vijayanagar Empire in the time period of 1535 to 1537 AD, that means 2 years. He observed that their women were expert in kingdom, who wrestled, who were astrologer and soothsaying, and they were also very good at keeping the account of the expenses incurred. So wrestling was correct, astrology is correct, accounting is correct, soothsaying is also correct. So alternative given at D is the right answer. Next question. This relates to the place Madnapalli in Andhra Pradesh, which is in the Chittoor district of today. In 1919, Rabindranath Tagore, during his brief stay at Madnapalli, a town in Chittoor, translated his Bengali poem National Anthem Jana Gana Mana into English as Morning Song of India. Therefore, statement given at C is the correct answer. Next question. We have to identify which pair is correctly matched. This place is in the Kashmir Valley, where the tools made of bones and stones and tools representing the ritual practices were found. It represents the natural setting of Neolithic people. So pair 1 is incorrectly matched. Chandra Ketugar, terracotta artifacts have been unearthed at this place, including erotic art on plaque. So this pair 2 is correctly matched. At the site of Ganeshwar, which is in Jodhpur near Khetri copper mines, several copper artifacts such as arrowheads, spearheads, bangles were found. Therefore, this pair 3 is also correctly matched. Option given at D is the right answer. Next question. During the rule of Iltutmish, Genghis Khan defeated Jalaluddin near the banks of Indus, so statement 1 is correct. Muhammad bin Tughlaq was the Sultan of Delhi from 1325 to 1351 AD. In 1398 AD, Taimur invaded India and he crossed the Indus and ravaged Multan and Punjab, so statement 2 is incorrect. Devraya II of Vijayanagar Empire ruled between 1422 and 1446 AD. Vasco da Gama reached the coast of Kerala in 1498. So the statement 3 is also incorrect. Therefore, option given at A is the correct answer. Next question. In Paris in 1534, Saint Francis Xavier pronounced votes as one of the first 7 members of the Society of Jesus. Therefore, statement 1 is correct. Saint Francis Xavier did not die in Goa. He died in Shenzhen, and which is off the Chinese coast. Therefore, statement 2 is incorrect. The feast of Saint Xavier each year on 3rd December marks the anniversary of Saint Francis Xavier's death, when thousands gather at the Basilica of Born Jesus. The annual festival known as the Feast of Saint Francis Xavier's Feast, Lord of Goa Festival, is the biggest of all Christian festivals in Goa. So statement 3 is correct. Therefore, alternative given at C is the right answer. Next question. This Mitakshara and Daibhaga. Under the Mitakshara school of law, all the members of joint family enjoy co-partnership rights during the father's lifetime. Under Daibhaga school, the sons acquire it on the death of the father. Therefore, statement 2 is correct. This has nothing to do with the lower caste or upper caste. So, statement 1 is incorrect. And this also does not talk about the female members' property rights. Therefore, this statement is also to be ruled out. And alternative given at B is the right answer. Next question relates to the Montfort reforms. Based on the Montfort reform, the Government of India Act 1919 was enacted. Under the Act, women were given the right to vote, but there was no universal adult suffrage. Hence, statement 1 is incorrect. The Government of India Act 1935 extended the principle of communal representation by providing separate electorate for depressed classes, scheduled castes, women, laborers, workers. A separate electorate meant that not only were the seats reserved for a specific group, but voting for reserved constituency was allowed for only members of that specific community. Therefore, statement 2 is correct. So, the option given at B is the right answer.